ADP download process, that is AppZilla Digital Platform download process for Android operating system. To download ADP in Android operating system, you need to go to menu and select browser. As soon as the browser gets open, enter www.appsdw.com/platform and then you need to click on download AppZilla app. As soon as you click on download AppZilla app, the file will start getting downloaded automatically. After download, click on OK to save and install the file. Let's understand Mobile Protection Platinum registration process for Android operating system. Open ADP application displayed on your screen. As soon as you open ADP application, you will be asked to log in or either to register. So if the customer already has a username and password, so you can log in with the username and password of the customer. If the customer is a new user, then you need to click on register. Account registration. Enter personal details of the customers, that is first name, last name, date of birth, gender, email ID and contact number. After entering the personal details, start entering the security PIN and password. PIN should be numeric digit. So enter PIN, confirm PIN, enter password, confirm password. After entering the security PIN and password, start entering the scratch code available inside the product packet. As soon as you enter the scratch code, click on I agree to terms of service. Click on Via Retailer. As soon as you click on Via Retailer, it will ask for sales ID and store ID. Enter the sales ID of the promoter if it is present in your outlet. Enter retailer ID and click on submit. Click on take photo of invoice to capture image of invoice to be uploaded. Ensure that the captured image is clear with all the details visible on the invoice. If the image is clear, press on OK to proceed with the registration. If the image is not clear, finally retake the invoice image again. After uploading the invoice, you will get a page wherein the first name of the customer, last name of the customer and date of birth of the customer would be pre-filled. After that, you need to enter the following details like father name, invoice number, date of purchase, cost of handset, store name, store location. Here the contract number would be pre-filled along with the IMEI number. Next is the customer needs to select the color of the handset purchased, the internal memory of the device. Now you need to select on invoice type. So if the handset is purchased through retailer, select retailer, and if the handset is purchased through online, then you need to select on online. Now the handset here purchased is from retailer, so you will select retailer. Then you will click on I agree to the protection terms and condition and click on submit to process with the registration. After uploading the invoice, the first name, the last name, the date of birth of the customer would be pre-filled. Then you need to enter the details as mentioned in the registration screen, that is father name, invoice number, date of purchase, cost of handset, store name, store location. Contact number and IMEI number again would be pre-filled. Now you need to select the color of the handset as well as the internal memory of the device. Now you need to select invoice type. As soon as you select invoice type, you will get two options. One is retailer and one is online. So if the handset is purchased through online like Flipkart, Snapdeal or any online websites, you need to select online. After selecting the invoice type, you need to click on I agree to the protection terms and condition and click on submit to complete with the registration. As soon as you click on next, it will ask to confirm the contact number registered through OTP. So enter the OTP sent via message and confirm your mobile number. As soon as your number is confirmed, click on OK to proceed with registration. Your registration will be completed.